All right, everybody, welcome back. Today, we're going to be taking a deep dive into spinal decompression therapy. Specifically, we're going to be looking at Clanahan Wellness Center over in central Illinois.
Okay.
And they actually use Dr. Clanahan, who is like one of the top spinal decompression experts in the world.
Wow.
And so we're going to be looking at some of the materials from Clanahan Wellness Center to kind of get a sense for, what they offer and how much it costs and all that good stuff.
Awesome.
So one of the really interesting things I saw right off the bat is that they use like the same spinal decompression tables that you would find at like the Mayo Clinic.
Oh, wow.
Johns Hopkins, Harvard,
Right.
like all the top places in the country.
That's impressive.
So they're not messing around.
Yeah.
So before we get too far, can you just like remind us all again, like
For sure.
what exactly spinal decompression therapy?
Yeah, so spinal decompression therapy is basically a non-surgical treatment to help relieve pressure on the discs in your spine.
Got it.
So it can be both for your neck and your back. And it's a really gentle way to kind of create some negative pressure in there so that those discs can rehydrate and heal naturally.
So it's not like cracking your back or anything?
No.
Like I've always been scared of this.
Yeah, it's very different from like chiropractic adjustments or anything like that. It's really meant to be a very gentle and relaxing experience. And it can be really effective for people who are dealing with chronic back pain.
Interesting.
Sciatica, neck pain, things like that.
That's great.
Where they're looking for alternatives to surgery.
But I think the big question on everybody's mind is like, okay, that's great, but how much is this going to cost me?
Yeah, of course. Cost is always a big concern.
Totally.
And so with Clanahan Wellness Center, it really depends on a few different factors. So the severity of your condition. The number of sessions that you need.
Gotcha.
And then just the specific clinic and region that you're in.
Okay, so can you walk me through, like, if I go in for a consultation,
absolutely,
what can I expect?
Yeah, so at Clanahan Wellness Center, they offer a free consultation. And there's no obligation. So you can go in, they'll do a full evaluation, and they'll give you a personalized plan outlining what your treatment might look like.
Gotcha.
And they'll also give you the cost up front.
Oh, that's good. So no like hidden fees or anything like that.
They're really big on transparency there.
That's good to know.
Yeah.
Okay, so I know we can't give like a specific number or anything like that, but like what's the ballpark we're looking at here?
I know people always want to know the specific number, but I think it's more helpful to think about this as an investment in your long-term health and well-being. Think about the freedom that you could have if you're not living with constant pain, the money that you could be saving on pain medication, or even the risks that you're avoiding by not having to go through surgery.
Yeah, that's a good point.
So it's really about...
But people could argue, you buy a good mattress, you're guaranteed a good night's sleep. This is something you don't necessarily know what the outcome's going to be.
Right, and that's why it's important to work with a qualified practitioner like Dr. Clanahan, who's, again, one of the top experts in the world in spinal decompression. They really emphasize a thorough evaluation and a customized approach. So they take into account.
So it's not just like
your specific condition, your medical history,
one size fits all,
your lifestyle factors, to really create a plan that's tailored to you.
So it's like they're creating a roadmap
to a pain-free life.
That's a great way to put it,
Wow.
And that's exactly what they try to emphasize in their materials, is that, they're not just treating your symptoms. They're really trying to help you regain control of your life.
Wow. Okay, so big takeaway for everyone.
Yes.
Spinal decompression costs at Clanahan Wellness Center. It's personalized. It's transparent. And it's really an investment in your future, and hopefully a pain-free one.
Absolutely.
What factors would you consider? If you were thinking about getting spinal decompression therapy, what would be the most important things to you?
That's a great question for everyone to think about.
Right.
As you're weighing your options.
Absolutely. And of course, if you're interested, you can check out Clanahan Wellness Center's website or give them a call for a free consultation.
Exactly.
They can kind of point you in the right direction. See if it's a good fit for you.
All right. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into spinal decompression therapy costs.
It was my pleasure.
And we'll see you next time.
See ya. Bye.